Welcome back to Simply Homemaking with Victoria Odong. Today let's talk about something that society often misunderstands. Women choosing to be homemakers. Many think that we are just wasting our potential, but I want to remind you that choosing to take care of your family and your home is not a lesser path. It's a calling and a gift from God. Do you know being a homemaker is often looked down upon today? People assume we are being unambitious, dependent, or even wasting our lives. I've had so many misconceptions from the society where some are saying homemakers are uneducated or lack ambition, staying at home means wasting time, homemakers are financially dependent and powerless, homemaking is easy, being a homemaker is outdated. But here is the truth. Homemaking is not just about cleaning and cooking. It's about creating a home filled with love, faith, and stability. Homemakers choose this role intentionally. Many are educated, including myself, but I am just passionate about nurturing my family and my home. You see, managing a home takes intelligence, wisdom, and planning, just like running a business. Investing in your home and family is never a waste. Homemaking is full-time ministry. That's real purpose. If you make some little research, you realize that many successful societies are built on strong families. And these strong families are nurtured by intentional women who choose to invest in their homes. Homemaking is work valuable. It's beautiful and meaningful work. God sees your work and it matters. So if you ever felt doubt or pressure from the world to do more, let me tell you this. You are already doing an important job. Raising your children, supporting your husband, managing a peaceful home is a ministry. You are shaping the next generation, providing stability to your family and living out a life that is aligning with God's purpose. Now, there are certain things that we need to do as homemakers to build strong families and marriages. And one of them is creating space for God's presence. Our homes shouldn't be just physically clean, but spiritually strong. Set time for family devotions, worship, and Bible reading. Your family and children will thrive when God is at the center. The other thing is make prayer mandatory. Pray for your husband, pray for your home, and pray for your wisdom. It's very important. Your prayers can cover your family in ways words never could. And the other thing is to respect our husbands. Respect isn't just about obedience, but even in our actions and in our words. You know it very well that our words can either break or build our husbands. We need to speak life into our marriages. Tell him he's doing well. Appreciate his efforts. It's very, very, very important. When we respect our husbands, it shows that we love them. That's the only way they feel they are loved. Choosing homemaking is choosing purpose. Don't let society's voice be louder than God's calling on your life. Remember, your marriage will flourish when God is at the center. Prayer is your foundation, and love and respect fill your home. If you found this video encouraging, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more homemaking wisdom. Let's create homes full of faith and joy together.